There is also a chance that the fruit is small. Hello guys! Today I will show you guys on how to plant a tomato because I heard one man, he said that, oh, don't waste your time in planting a tomato by the seeds. If you have tomato plants already growing, you just cut some part of it and make it sure that no flower, because the one with flower we cannot plant this one. Okay guys, so as I can see, this one start to flower, this one also with flowers, this one have a little flower. So I try to check if there is no flower. Okay guys, so as I can see, only this one no flower. Here it is. This is another tomato plant propagation. In planting tomato seeds or plant propagation, there is also a chance that the fruit is small. Sometimes it's because of the soil in which the tomato grow. Even from big tomato fruit or seeds.